Hi there, I am Ismail from Pelema. Most SEOs chase big numbers, high DR, high DA, big media placements. But here's the uncomfortable truth. A relevant DR30 link in your niche can outperform a random DR85 news link. Today we are breaking down why relevance often beats raw power and how Google actually evaluates authority today. In early SEO, PageRank was more linear. Authority flowed like water. So the logic became get links from powerful domains and rankings follow. But Google evolved. Authority is no longer purely numerical, it is contextual, and context changes everything. A finance website linking to your finance page, strong. A cooking blog linking to your SaaS cybersecurity product, weak, even if the cooking site has a DA of 80. Why? Because Google builds topical trust paragraphs. Authority travels better within related ecosystems. Relevance acts as a multiplier. Links are not just signals of popularity, they are signals of association. When multiple relevant sites link to you within the same topical category, Google forms an entity connection. That's how authority compounds in competitive niches. It's not about power, it's about signal alignment. Think of it like this: a powerful but irrelevant link passes diluted authority. A moderately powerful but highly relevant link passes concentrated authority. In competitive SERPs, concentrated authority often wins because Google wants to rank experts, not just popular sites. Think of it like this: Deepak Shukla is a major player in the digital marketing game. If he says you are a great SEO, it's going to matter more than Donald Trump doing the same thing, even though Donald Trump is a bigger name than Deepak, because Donald Trump doesn't have any authority in SEO. Deepak does. Now, these links from powerful websites, they look impressive in reports, but they lack contextual depth. They often sit on low relevance pages. They pass on shallow association signals. They may help domain level metrics. You see your numbers going up on Ahrefs, but they rarely strengthen specific page rankings meaningfully. When multiple relevant sites link to your page, let's say about technical SEO for SaaS, Google learns this site belongs in this topical cluster. That reduces volatility during updates. Relevance builds defensibility. Power alone builds fragility. Your link strategy should ask: does this link strengthen our topical graph? Not, does this raise our DR? Metrics are vanity. Signal alignment is strategy. This is not saying powerful links don't matter. They do, but they amplify. They should never be your foundation. Build relevance first, then layer authority. That's how you build sustainable ranking power. Link building maturity is moving from ego driven placements to strategically aligned authority engineering. Because in modern SEO, context decides power and relevance compounds trust. And at the end of all this, what makes sure that you are getting the right context? Your anchor text. So you need to be careful with what you put as your anchor text. Make sure to not put anything that does not further your SEO cause. Make sure not to put branded terms like your company name. Make sure not to put generic terms like click here or our website, and make sure not to put the naked link. Make sure any backlink that goes to your site is anchored by a text that describes the topic of the page. If you found this video to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.